What's up, bros? 2023 flagship MLS today. This year the product was released really late. The whole MLS season is almost over because they postponed the product because they wanted to add a Messi, which in my opinion didn't pay off at all, because I think the MSRP for this product is around 70 bucks, and you can easily find it below 60 right now at the release. I think this is the new soccer tile parallel, so looks pretty unimaginative in my opinion. Joseph Sifu. So yeah, like design wise, this is a traditional MLS flagship with this white borders, which make cards look cheap in my opinion. And the inserts a little bit unimaginative as well. And our first hit is this beautiful one color jersey of Graham Zusi, actually numbered to 199. I'm pretty happy to actually pull this card because Zusi is a true legend of both MLS and the US national team. So somebody, I think people who follow at least a little bit of the soccer in the US recognize. Obviously not Messi, but for an MLS fan, great hit. San Jose Earthquakes team card. I wonder if this guy got a yellow card for taking his shirt off. Benia Cremashi, not like an Inter Miami player I was looking for. And Richard Ledesma for my local team FC NYC, followed immediately by its team card. Unfortunately, the team card talks about Sean Johnson, but unfortunately Sean Johnson moved out of FC NYC before the start of the season. Chicago Fire soccer tile parallel. Oh, and here comes our guy, Lionel. And actually my understanding is that all Messi cards except this weird looking God card are short printed in this product, and so this card might actually pay for my box, so might be like around $100 or so. A pretty cool card, not something which I expected at all. Yeah, like I need to hurry up to sell this card because I don't think that these prices will sustain. And actually Kyle Smith, I think this is an orange, glossy orange number 225. I also think there are regular orange cards in this product. Kyle Smith is a very reliable defenseman for Orlando, but yeah, unless you have seen Orlando playing, you probably have never heard about him. Oh, and this is actually a pretty cool pull of Nicolas Giacchini. I think this is a regular orange number 225, and Nicolas Giacchini is almost like an MLS surprise of the year, because he came essentially after failing to start his career in Orlando, and I think he is St. Louis's best goal scorer this season, or maybe he is second after Klaus, in fact. Of course, Giacchini is not that young anymore, but actually, like we just pulled, he's a regular rookie card as well. I think he's either 23 or 24, but yeah, this is somebody who is definitely balling out there. So okay, and our auto is Juan Mascara, auto number 299. I think it's shiny blue. It's good that Juan Mascara is putting some effort into his auto, but a big problem is that I am somebody who follows MLS pretty closely, and I have never heard about Juan Mosquera. So yeah, Danny Leyva, two Danny Leyvas in a row, in fact. Miami team card, but there is no Messi, and yeah, he's also not mentioned on the card, although there is Higuain, Tausch Magno, and Gabriel Pereira. Like, funny that he got a rookie card, but he actually, I think, moved to Qatar during the mid-season. Cade, yeah. I hold some really big cards of Cade in my personal collection, so I would be glad if he will move out to a bigger club. Yes, so I think we are missing one more hitter. Usually it's one auto and two jerseys, and our second jersey is Brenner, this Brazilian legend of Cincinnati, and here I mean legend without any sarcasm, because it's truly probably the best known player who has ever been on the Cincinnati roster, although he is now with I think Udinese in Syria, although he doesn't play that much there. Overall, this was a pretty cool box. This Messi should pay for the box if I'll be able to sell it fast, although it's not a rare card by any measure. And then Giacchini 225 is a really cool card of up-and-coming striker, although Giacchini is a little bit older than I would like him to be. And then Zusi and Brenner, two MLS legends, of course. Zusi much more so, but Brenner, I would say, is a player most MLS fans would recognize. And then Kyle Smith, who I've heard about, and Juan Mascara, who I unfortunately haven't heard about.